We're a group of students from Georgia Tech, and we arrived in Haiti a couple of days ago. And so far we have been working with a group of students from various parts of Haiti, but mainly Port-au-Prince. And we've been having an amazing time, mostly seeing the work that students in Haiti are already doing themselves and how much passion and excitement they have to grow and expand their projects, and how eager they are to make a difference in their own country and in Haiti. And it's been really rewarding to see that side of Haiti and actually get to talk to students who love their country. And I think it's left us all with a greater understanding of the country and a greater understanding of, and a greater hope for more change, more positive change that we believe is going to be happening. We've been doing a lot of work with teaching electrical skills and teaching basics about solar energy and how electricity works. And then we have been working a lot with the students on fleshing out ways that we can make solar energy profitable in Haiti, and ways that they can go out and start their own businesses or grow their businesses through supplying and selling various solar energy systems. So we've been having a great time, and we are super impressed with the country and the people, and excited to keep collaborating with these students.
My name is Nicolas, and I'm here in the Solar Entrepreneurship Program. During these 2 days, I've been learning about the basics of electrical stuff, about batteries, solar panels, and batteries and stuff like this. We have learned how to make a system to provide electricity with the solar panels and stuff like that.
Hi, my name is Jake Smith. I'm here with my team from Georgia Tech. We're working on this product here called the Haiti Relay. We're distributing this to villagers throughout Toman to get an understanding of how well it works. We're initiating our pilot program, which is where we're giving out 20 of these and testing how well it works in the homes. You can turn it on with a switch here and the light works just like this. This is to provide lighting in their homes and also cell phone charging, which is a real issue for the people here. And so, yeah, we're having a great time. We're really enjoying our time here in Haiti, and hope to keep moving forward.
It's a good thing. We never seen this before, and we hope that we can learn a lot more to teach the world or our community how to use our own solar system.
My name is Varun Dugal, and I just recently graduated from Georgia Tech. I'm here with the team from Georgia Tech, and we're here to teach Haitian university students how to create small solar businesses. So it's a 3-day program, and on the first day of the program, we're working on basics of electricity and how normal small systems work. Now, on the second day, we're working on the more practical aspect of the system. So we've created the system, as you can see here. It is a small solar system that is enough to power a medium-sized home with 8 light bulbs, 2 solar panels, a battery, charge controller, inverter, fans, and it can charge phones. And now, after this, we will be discussing how smaller solar products work. So we can have small solar lanterns, such as this one. And this basically allows our users to basically move from a very low level of electrification to having a complete energy infrastructure. Now tomorrow we will be working on the specifics of how to run a business. So the business team will be working on how to price models, how to approach different customers, and how to work on finance and how to keep your cash flow running. And we hope that we can leave the students with a very comprehensive understanding of how to run solar businesses in Haiti, and we wish them all the best.